Hey everyone, welcome to Hate to Be Grilling. Now today we're going to be out here. Yesterday we used the old Weber kettle for some burgers. Today we're going to be firing up the Z-Grills pellet smoker. We're going to smoke some pork chops. I've never smoked the pork chops. I've either grilled them, fried them, or cooked them in the oven. But we're going to smoke them. Let's see how it turns out.
They live in plain sight. In the silent war, nobody sees bleeding inside, but I still say I'm at peace holding it.
Hey, so I kind of changed my intro up a little bit. That was the artist, Georgia Phantom, and I've recently stumbled across his music, and as a veteran, listening to his music, folks, it's incredible. And even if you're not a veteran, but if you're struggling through life, listen to this guy. If you're a veteran and you're struggling with coming home, listen to this guy. His songs are inspirational. You're going to hear a lot of truth in his songs. And even if you're not a veteran or you're not struggling, if you want to listen to some good music, this guy right here, Georgia Phantom, check it out, please. He's doing great work, and he's here for the veterans especially. And you know, I was a mechanic, don't have a lot of the same experiences as other guys that combat MOSs, but I got enough to know that struggle's real and the war within is real. So like I said, y'all please give it a check or a listen. All right, this cook's gonna be a pretty simple cook as far as ingredients. We're only using 2 ingredients here. So I'm gonna come over and sprinkle me a little bit of brown sugar on the pork chops. Now, the reason I like doing the brown sugar, putting it on there first, is because we're just gonna kind of rub it around on the pork chop here. But as it cooks, that will kind of crystallize on the meat. And that's gonna help trap the juices inside the pork. It's a pretty good little technique. All right, now that we've got our brown sugar on there, we're gonna come out with some lemon pepper. And that's all we're using on this cook. Once we get these seasoned up, I'm gonna season these pretty heavily. But once we get them seasoned up, we're just gonna let them sit here on the counter, kind of get that sweat going, soak in that seasoning. So at this point now, go ahead and get these pork chops on the smoker. I've got this one here with a temp probe in it, but we're gonna put these on the smoker. We're gonna close the lid, and we're gonna take them to an internal temperature of 155 degrees. All right, so we just hit 155 degrees. We're gonna raise the lid, take a look at them. They are looking phenomenal. All right, so we got these pork chops in the house. Let's cut into it here. Take a gander.
That poor knife.
This knife, I promise, this pork chop is not that tough.
No, it's the
this knife is just not that sharp.
That knife is as old as we are.
We really need some new cutlery. If there's any potential sponsors out there. All right. Oh. Beautiful cook. Pork chop looks perfect. So, how's this pork chop?
Well, we're about to find out.
About to find out.
That's good.
It's good? Mm-hmm. Not too dry?
No,
No?
I like the outside of it.
The outside.
The brown sugar
Brown sugar worked.
is good.
So, y'all please like, subscribe, leave comments. We'll see you later.